Hello, good morning to you all. Today we are here at the 19th hole at the Venice Mall of Greater Noida, where it is a 10 days Bengali food festival named Ahare Bahare. This is how you pronounce this. So Ahar Ki Bahar, that is the 10 days food festival which has started from today and it will be on till the 22nd.
Till the 31st of August.
Till the 31st of August. And Tanmoy Mukherjee has specially come from Calcutta, and he is expert in the Bengali cuisine, along with the chef who's again from Kolkata, from the Palms Kitchen, the restaurant of the company, Palms Kitchen. And please explain us about the food, what all you're offering, and what are the delicacies which people can enjoy here?
Yes, so good afternoon everyone. So the thought came to our mind, that's the why not the Bengali authentic food like Kolkata food served in Noida. So from there we have started the journey, and we have decided chef has made a nice Bengali delicacies menu, including from the starter to main course to dessert, and also there is a set menu as well. So chef with this team came from Kolkata itself. He is cooking for you from today onwards till 31st of August. The food pop-up will be there, Bengali food pop-up will be there. So you can come and enjoy at 19th hole Noida. So at sitting at Noida, so you can enjoy the Kolkata's homely food and the best delicacies of Kolkata.
Okay. Okay, so we've just started with the Gondoraj. This is a buttermilk with a special
Yes,
line.
this is your Gondoraj Ghol. This is a kind of buttermilk. It's made out of the yogurt only. It's a clean one,
Right.
and it's flavored with
Strong
your
flavor.
flavored with the Gondoraj. It's a lime.
And this is, we fried this
This is your called muchmuche murgi bhaja. Muchmuche means it's crispy fried.
crispy fried.
So it's basically the chicken fingers,
Chicken
the
fingers.
crispy fried in
Crispy
Bengali
fried,
style.
and this was the.
This is the vegetable chop. So we call it here in menu we call it as a parar vegetable. Para means gully.
Okay.
So in Hindi it's a gully. So in Kolkata, in most of the gullies, in the small shop we do get there here this type of vegetable chops. It's basically made of our mixed vegetables and then deep fried.
Okay. So these
And-
two starters are very nice and crispy, and,
And
I'm
the
sure
dip-
the main course
and the dip
will
is-
be-
Okay,
Again,
and the deep we are serving it with your kasundi and the
Kasundi.
tomato based sauce mixed up with, which give you a little bit of tangy and the mustard flavor, which basically goes with the Bengali food, Bengali starter.
Okay, so let's continue with our exploring of the cuisine, and thank you so much. We'll look forward to the main course now.
Thank you so much. Please do try. There are a lot of options in the main course, starting from the prawn to bhetki to your mutton kosa, which is Bengali's favorite, like the luchi as well,
Alright,
which is a
okay.
deep fried flat bread, which is renowned in Kolkata, Rasgulla in dessert,
Okay.
payas in main course like the
Okay.
rice kheer. So
Alright.
please do try and let us know about your feedback.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.